Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is HMD Arc phone. In this video, let me tell you what to do if your microSD card is not detected. So let's get started, and the most common cause of this issue is that your microSD card has slightly shifted out of place when your card tray was pushed into your phone. So what you want to do is take your metal ejector tool, and now let's take out the card tray. So you want to insert it right into this hole, push slightly in order to open card tray, and let's take out card tray. So please check your microSD card for any dust or dirt. You can additionally wipe it off with soft and dry microfiber cloth, and then put it back into card tray. And now let's slide the card tray back into your phone. Okay, after this, if this does not help you, then you have to try format card in your settings. So let's open the settings, and then you want to go to storage section, and please locate your microSD card. This is mine. And then you want to tap three dots in the top right corner of your screen and select format option. After this, tap format, but please please notice that formatting will completely erase all data that is currently on your microSD card, so make sure that you back up any important data or files to your computer before proceeding. Let's press format button. Let's press done button. And after this, if even this does not help you, then you have to test your microSD card in another device. You have to eject your microSD card and insert it into a different smartphone or tablet or even computer, so basically in different device. And if other device can read your card, then it means that your card is functional. The issue lies inside your phone's tray slot, or if the other device also fails to detect your card, then it means that your microSD card is probably dead, or something wrong with your microSD card directly, so it should be replaced. So that is basically it, and if this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos, and see you in the next one.